All right, what's an appraisal? An appraisal is a property evaluation by the bank or the lender who you're getting the loan with on the property that you're buying. So, what happens is your lender is going to send out a professional appraiser to the property, and they're going to take a look at the condition of the property, and then they're going to do some research and look at the recent sales in the neighborhood, and then they're going to come up with the number, which is their unbiased opinion of the value of the property. Now, what's an appraisal contingency? An appraisal contingency is really important. That's something that you and your realtor negotiate into the contract. So before you even open escrow or get an accepted offer, you put that in the contract to protect yourself in case the property doesn't appraise at the purchase price that you're offering the seller. So an appraisal contingency can usually be between 21 25 days. It really depends on your lender how fast they can move. The shorter they can make it, of course the better, and the more attractive your offer is going to be to the seller. So what can happen with an appraisal? There's three different scenarios. Either the appraisal comes back higher than what you're offering the seller to pay for the property, and that's amazing because then you're walking into the property with equity. Another thing that can happen is it just meets the purchase price, which is very common. So whatever you're offering the seller, that's how much the property appraised, and everybody's just moving forward with the purchase of the property. Now, the third thing that can happen is the appraisal comes in lower than what you offered in the purchase contract. And basically, what happens in that case is you have to renegotiate with the seller or back out of the contract. And it really depends, if you're willing to pay up for the dream of your home or if you just want to walk away. So the seller can either agree to lower the purchase price all the way down to the appraised value, or they can meet you halfway and they can lower the price a little bit and you pay a little bit out of pocket, or they can just tell you, hey, I don't want to lower the price, I want this money, you have to come out of pocket for the difference. So in that case, if you don't have the funds or you just don't want to pay out of pocket, then you can cancel the contract and you can get your earnest money deposit back, as long as this happens within your appraisal contingency.